there is a difference between what has been asked and what you know. So इसका मतलब पता है what I'm saying? Did you get that? There is a difference between what has been asked and what you know. For example, if I ask one of you, what is the role of optional in UPSC? And आप मुझे ये बताने लगो UPSC is one of the very toughest exam. We have GS paper 1 which is MCQ type. GS paper 2 is CSAT. But this is not what I was asking. Question was not about UPSC. Question was about the role of optional in the UPSC. So you have to be very specific in understanding the demand of the question. Once you have understood the demand, second thing that you need to do is to identify the subparts in the question. This will help you in properly structuring the answer, because we have been given 2 pages for 10 marker and there are 3 pages for 15 marker. So idea is to ensure कि when you end the answer, every dimension that was asked has been touched upon. कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं है कि we missed meeting the demand of the question. Okay, so you should be able to identify the demand. Once you have identified the demand, you will be able to generate subheadings. कि अगर पूछा what are tropical cyclones, what are the condition for its formation, and what are the steps government of India has taken to tackle the disaster. अब ये 3 सब parts थे इसमें. You have a 3 heading for it now and you can properly answer it point wise. ठीक है.